What up, YouTube? This is GeoStealth R1, and we're gonna continue with Bumper Day. On my last video, you ended up seeing me doing a conversion of the K10 to the F150, but this is going to be something new that just came out from TRAXXAS. And primarily, we're looking at the aluminum bumper set. The part number is 9735X, and this is for the Ford Bronco. Sorry. So this is for the Ford Bronco. I'm gonna go step by step of what we need to do, and let's begin. So it looks like I'm going to have to remove these 2 screws on both ends, so 4 screws all together, and I'm also gonna have to remove, I guess, the mount for the LEDs that are over here and stuff like that. So I didn't know I had to do that. I'm not too sure if I have to do that in the back. I don't think so, just these 4 screws. But let me start working on this, and we'll take it from there. So as you can see, these are the mounts right here, these 2 screws for the LED bumpers. I'm gonna remove these 2 screws and then just start opening this up and get everything going. Alrighty, after reading the directions, I ended up noticing that my screws are different. These actually have the Loctite attached to them, but they're a lot thicker than what's initially installed on the regular bumper. So I'm gonna screw these in here. The cool part of this is that I don't need the mounts anymore. The LEDs will click in right there, and it should be good to go. So let me start drilling in a few things. Thank goodness it came with Loctite, but because the way, as you can see, it's set up over there, hopefully this comes out to be looking good. Alrighty, something that I learned about this, my piece of advice to you, if you're gonna put the LEDs for the LED sockets, I'm in a garage, so it's pretty cold in here. I had to take my blow dryer and heat that up to get the plastic in. So just food for thought on that. Just wanted to give you a heads up. I'm gonna install this right here, work on the back with the 4 screws that are gonna go over here, slide that up in there, and attach the back, and then we'll see the final product. Alrighty, so now we're at the rear bumper, and I cannot reiterate, having screws metal on metal, that you definitely need to put some blue Loctite. So I'm gonna put some blue Loctite on this, and I'm going to have it set up to where I'm able to put my hitch right there, and then that's gonna go into those four holes. The mount for the brackets for the bumpers should be going in those 2 holes, which realistically speaking, I think you should put they already come with nylon on blue Loctite on there already. So yep, let me keep on going. Personally, I think this came out really nice. Cool aluminum setup. As you can see, the lights are lighting up pretty nicely over there. This is the back of it, which gives it more of a nicely set up feel. I'm gonna put the body on, turn on all the lights, and see how that comes out.